Well, gaya po last year, no, sabi natin, there was an overreach. With all due respect to the Supreme Court, ako po ay isang abogado. Yun po ang paniwala ng karamihan. Pero naniniwala pa rin ako at hinihintay ko pa rin po ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema na sang-ayon sa konstitusyon. Ito po, gagawin namin ang tungkulin namin under the Constitution, ang tungkulin namin as representatives, as congressmen, and as members of the House Committee on Justice. And I believe that the Supreme Court will act judiciously and properly dahil sasabihin naman ho nila, di ba, na sumusunod lang kami sa kanilang mga directives in their decision and in fact in the resolution dated January 2026. I don't think that there will be a constitutional crisis, honestly.
So, ma'am, you're also hopeful na
Yes.
walang constitutional crisis?
Yes, I am very hopeful po.